Hello everyone, this is Khaldun from Kanen Coffee. Today we're going to test this beautiful Magnifica XL Espresso machine. It comes to us with general alarm. So when I test the machine, I found out like the motor stuck and the shaft behind it also. It was like very dirty and was like hard to move. So I decided I put a tune-up on the machine, and now I did a tune-up. I after I cleaned the mechano valve, I replaced this gasket in the mechano valve, and I took part of the group head, and I replaced also the pro unit. This is the old one. So, and I descaled the machine twice, and I give it 2 cleaning cycles, and I clean the steam wand. I lubricate the shaft after I deep clean it, and all the moving parts get cleaned and lubricated. So let's go ahead and test it, make espresso shot on it. Yeah, it's became really smooth when it's moving after cleaned and lubricated. This is really great shot from this DeLonghi camera. Look, even with crema, and it's not the best beans. I just like using testing beans. So let's test the hot water. That works perfect, and the steamer, it's heating. It needs a little bit until it gets ready. It is steaming great, and it became stronger and stronger, and I can feel the water pump pulsing. So the machine functioning perfect. Thank you for watching. Oh, let me just like turn it off and see how it's doing when we turn it off. Yeah, it's really smooth. It's supposed to clean itself. Yep, it's rinsing. That's perfect. Thank you for watching.